Tips for improving your spoken English. Speak, speak, speak. Be confident and speak as often as possible to as many people as you possibly can. Do not be shy to make mistakes. The more you practice, the better and more confident you will become in your pronunciations and vocabulary. Remember, speaking is a skill like learning a musical instrument or a new sport. The only way you can get good is to actually do it. Use technology. A smartphone can be a powerful tool for learning languages. Use it to record yourself speaking, then listen back to see how your English sounds to other people. Make the most of all your favorite productivity apps to organize your practice time and make note of all the new words you learn. Listen. Listen to new bulletins and songs in English to listen to the pronunciations of all words. You can also learn new words and expressions this way. The more you listen, the more you learn. Try copying what you hear to practice your pronunciations and learn which words in a sentence are stressed. Read out loud. Read the newspaper or a magazine out to yourself. You could even find a script for your favorite TV show and act it out. This is a great way to practice pronunciations because you only need to concentrate on making sure your English sounds great and do not need to worry about sentence structure or grammar. Learn a new word every day. Choose a word you could like to work on and practice it in different sentences. Use the word until you have learned it and keep using it regularly. Watch films. Watch movie in English and pay attention to new vocabulary and pronunciations. Imitate the actors and have fun with it. Make friends. Make friends with English speakers or others learning to speak as English and compare notes. Talk about things that you have learned and exchange ideas. Do interesting activity in English. Take a cooking courses in English or join a book club. Anything you enjoy doing, make sure you do it and communicate it in English. Using English to talk about things you enjoy will make practicing a positive experience. Have debate. Debate all the topics that interested with the friends in English. Try to use as much vocabulary as you can to get your point across and listen to the other's argument carefully so you can argue against them effectively. Use a dictionary. Online dictionaries often have an audio example so you can check your pronunciations, and there are lots of great dictionary apps that you can take everywhere, whether you on your smartphone. Make sure not to become too reliant on these tools, though have go at saying the words first, then check afterwards to see if you are right. That is over.